Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an animated circle in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fantastic effect for creating dynamic motion graphics, highlighting elements in your videos, or adding professional-looking animations to your projects. Let's jump right into it. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and load up your project. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs for different workspaces. Click on Fusion. This is DaVinci Resolve's powerful compositing environment where all the magic happens for creating effects and animations. Now that you're in the Fusion workspace, you'll be working with nodes. Think of nodes as building blocks that connect together to create your effect. Start by dragging a background node into your node editor. This will serve as the foundation for your animation. Next, drag a paint node and position it between the background one node and the media out one node. This creates a flow where your painted circle will be composited onto the background and then sent to the final output. With your nodes in place, click on the background node to select it. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the inspector panel, which contains all the properties for whatever you have selected. Look for the alpha setting and change it to 0. This makes the background completely transparent, which is essential because we want only our animated circle to be visible without any colored backdrop interfering. Now click on the paint node to select it. At the top of the preview window, you'll notice several icons. Click on the single brush icon to activate the painting tool. This is what you'll use to actually draw your circle. Before you start drawing, though, you need to adjust your brush settings to get the look you want. On the right side in the inspector panel, you'll see brush controls. Click on it to expand those options. Here you can adjust the size and softness of your brush. Play around with these settings until you get a brush size that works for the circle you want to create. A softer brush will give you smooth edges, while a harder brush creates sharper, more defined lines. Next, look for Apply Controls in the inspector. You'll see a color selector there. Click on it and choose whatever color you want your circle to be. This could be anything from a bold red to a subtle blue, depending on your project's aesthetic. Here's where the animation comes in. Click on Stroke Controls to expand that section. Within Stroke Controls, you'll find Stroke Animation. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select Right On. This setting is what makes your circle appear as if it's being drawn in real time, creating that smooth animated effect rather than just appearing all at once. Right below that, you can adjust the duration of your animation. For this example, set it to 25 frames, but feel free to adjust this to whatever timing works best for your project. A shorter duration creates a faster animation, while a longer one makes it more gradual and deliberate. Now adjust your playhead on the timeline to the exact frame where you want the animation to begin. This gives you precise control over when the circle starts appearing in your video. With everything set up, go ahead and draw a circle on the preview window. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The beauty of this effect is that hand-drawn circles often look more organic and interesting. Once you've drawn your circle, navigate back to the Edit tab at the bottom of your screen. This takes you back to the main editing workspace. Press play on your timeline to preview the animation, and you'll see your circle elegantly drawing itself onto the screen. And that's it. You've successfully created an animated circle in DaVinci Resolve using the Fusion workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.